You can publish and host your website on the internet. You can publish even if your website needs some more work. Let us see how. On your site editor panel, you shall see a Publish Site button. Click the Publish Site button. To publish a website and host it on the internet, it is mandatory to give it a name. This name is called the domain name. If you already have this domain name registered with another service provider, simply select Already Have a Domain. Now provide your exact domain name without making any mistakes and continue to the Publish Site section. Select the period of publishing, select the number of emails you would like to attach to your domain name, and then click Proceed to finalize your order. If you do not have a domain name, then select Get Domain. Once you select Get Domain, you shall get directed to enter your choice of domain name and check its availability. A domain name is unique and cannot be duplicated on the internet. A domain name is also your identity, so it must be relevant to you and your business. Enter your choice of domain name in the box provided. You can enter multiple domain extensions as required. Now, click on Check Domain Availability button. The display shall let you know the domain names that are available. If you want to proceed, select the domain name by putting a tick mark in the checkbox by clicking on it, and click Proceed with Selection. If you did not get the domain of your choice, then go back and repeat the process with a different domain name or extensions that fit your requirements. Once you proceed with your selection, you shall have to enter your credentials under which the domain must be booked. It is important to provide correct information since this shall define your ownership of the domain. Most of the fields are pre-filled. Please enter your organization's name, or if you are an individual, just re-enter your name. Make sure all fields are filled. Verify all details and press Proceed button. You shall come to the Publish Site page. Select the period of publishing. Select the number of emails you would like to attach to your domain name, and then click Proceed to finalize your order. The website order is submitted and you shall receive your order number. Your order shall be placed in the Pending Order section. This order is now sent to your service provider that you appointed at the time of registration. Once the service provider approves your order, the website shall take up to 72 hours to get configured and published online. Your domain name shall only get booked once the service provider approves your order. Web on Retail does not provide any guarantee of the domain availability since someone else can book the domain before the service provider approves your order. Once your order gets approved, you shall get notified by email. You shall also see your order has moved to the Published Projects under the Projects section on the left panel. Please note that you shall not be able to make changes to your website during the order processing period. Once your website is published, you can make updates and changes. To do so, simply click on Published Projects link. You will see your website listed here. Click on the Site Code link and enter your site admin password. This is the secondary password you entered at the time of design selection. Click on Customize. You shall be directed to the main site editor panel. You shall see a few new buttons now. The Preview Site button. This is to preview the changes that you have done on your website. The Renew Site button. This is to renew your website next year. The Change Design button. This is to completely change the look and feel of the website. A big word of caution: if you change your website design, you would lose all the associated content on your website and will have to reload your content as per the new website design layouts. The Take Backup and Download button. This is for you to download the entire website. The downloaded website shall also provide you the flexibility to burn a CD and showcase your website to individuals even when there is no internet connectivity. Once your website is published, you can set up your professional email IDs by clicking on Manage Email Accounts button.